So we were doing this first bit. Akshash, please unmute yourself and read first bit.
Okay, ma'am. 51 divided by 7.
Okay, so this is 51 divided by 7. Right. Okay. So which number will write outside and which number inside? Quickly.
51 inside, ma'am. 7 outside.
Yes, 7 is smaller than 51. So we will write 51 inside and 7 outside. Okay, fine. Right. Now, Akshay, tell me, we will take 5 and 1 together or we will take only 5 at a time?
We will take we will take 5 and 1 together, ma'am.
Yes, we will take here 5 and 1 together, children. We will not take 5 here because if you will compare the first digit, that is 5 with the outside number, which is 7, right?
Ma'am, just wait for a second, ma'am.
Okay, Akshay, I'll get back to you. Thank you. Okay, so if you will compare 5 and 7, then you will get to know that we won't get 5 and 7 table because 7 table starts with 7, right? And moreover, 5 is smaller than 7. So we have to take 5 and 1 together. Now this means we have to think of a number in 7 table which is smaller than 51 and nearest to 51 because we won't get 51 in 7 table. Akshat?
Ma'am?
Now tell me which number is smaller than 51 and nearest to 51.
49, ma'am.
Yes, in 7 table, if you will recall 7 table, children, you will find that 4949 is the number which is smaller than 7, sorry, smaller than 51 and also nearest to 51. So we will write that 7 up and we will write this 4949 below this 51. Okay, then we were subtracting these two numbers yesterday. Now let us subtract them. Okay, Akshay, you tell me, is it possible to take away 9 from 1?
No, ma'am.
Yes, this is not possible to take away 9 from 1 because 1 is smaller than 9. So what we'll do?
So we will take borrow, ma'am.
Very good. So we will take 110 borrow from this 5. So we will cut this 5. This 5 will become
4. And 1 will become 11, ma'am.
Very good. So we will cut this 5. 5 will become 4. Children, keep on writing as I am saying. And we will cut this 1 and this 1 will become 11. Yes, that's correct. Now, Akshay, tell me 11 minus 9?
2, ma'am.
Very good. So we will write here 2. And 4 minus 4?
0.
Very good. Yes. Thank you, Akshay. Good. Very good. Thank you so much. Okay. Now, children, you can see that when we have subtracted 49 from 51, we got answer 2. So, okay, we got answer 2. Now we already know that this 7 which we have written at the top is known as the quotient. This is known as the quotient. So beside this quotient, we will write here 7. Okay. Now what is remainder? They have asked you to write remainder also. So this 2 which we got after subtracting 49 from 51, this 2 is known as remainder. This 2 is known as remainder. Okay. You can write here also so that later on you won't face any confusion. What is your remainder? Two is your remainder. You can write this 2. You can write remainder in front of this 2. This is your remainder. Okay, I have made this arrow just to make it clear that your remainder is 2 and you know that quotient is 7, right?
Ma'am?
Yes, Aliza?
You have to write
And remainder also, yes.
Okay.
You have to write. Yes, children, please write this remainder. R-E-M-A-I-N-D-E-R, remainder. Remainder is what we got after subtracting 49 from 51. Okay, so this is known as our remainder. Okay, fine. Now next one. Pathan, please read second bit.
85 divided by 9.
So this is 85 divided by 9. Okay. Which number outside and which number inside, Pathan?
85 should be in and 9 should be out.
Very good. After division symbol, number is 9. So we will write 9 outside and 85 we'll be writing inside. Okay, fine. Now, Pathan, tell me, we will take 8 and 5 together or we will take only 8?
8 and 5 together, ma'am.
Why?
Because the number is lesser than 9.
Very good. Yes, children, here we will be taking 8 and 5 together. We will not take 8 at a time, because if you will compare 8 and 9, 9 is always greater than 8, or you can say 8 is smaller than 9. So you won't get 8 in 9 table, as 9 table starts from 9. So we have to think for a number. We have to think of a number which is okay. No, before that, tell me, Pathan, can we get 85 in 9 table? Yes, Pathan. Pathan, please unmute yourself and tell me, can we get 85 in 9 table?
9 nines are 81, ma'am.
First you tell me, can we get 81 in 9 table?
Yes, ma'am.
And what about 85?
We will not get in 9 table.
Yes, we cannot get 85 in 9 table. So we have to think of a number which is smaller than 85 and nearest to 85 in 9 table. So we will recall 9 table and we will try to find out the number which is smaller than 85 and nearest to 85. Yes, Pathan, tell me the number.
9 nines are 91, ma'am.
9 nines are 91.
81, ma'am.
Yes, 9 nines are 81. So we will be writing this 9, children. I don't have space. That's why I wrote this 9 outside this blue line, but you have to write it inside this box only. Okay. 9 nines are 81. Yes, 9 nines are 81. So 81 is the number which is smaller than 85 and nearest to 85. Okay. And then we will put here minus sign. Yes, Pathan, now tell me, 5 minus 1?
4, ma'am.
And 8 minus 8?
0.
Yes. Okay, so we got here 4. If you will subtract 81 from 85, you will get answer 4. Okay. Thank you, Pathan.
Yes.
Okay. Now, Zaid, you tell me what is the quotient and what is remainder here?
Remainder is 4, quotient is 9.
Very good. Yes, children. Quotient, you already know that 9 is your quotient here. And you got 4 after subtracting 81 from 85, right? So 4 is your remainder and 9 is your quotient. Okay, keep on writing these answers. That's correct. 9 is your quotient and 4 is your remainder. Okay. Krishika ji, please unmute yourself and read next question.
Ma'am,
Yeah. Third one.
106 divided by 6.
This is 106 divided by 6. Okay. Which number outside and which number inside?
106 inside, 6 outside.
Very good. We will write 6 outside and 106 inside. That's correct. Okay, now Krishika, you tell me, we will take 1 or we will take 1 0 or we will take 1 0 6 together.
Ma'am, we will take 1, ma'am.
1. Okay, can we get 1 in 6 table?
No, ma'am.
Then what we will do?
106 together.
We will take 106 together. See, Krishika, we won't get 1 in 6 table, right? But if we will take 1 and 0, it makes 10. 1 0 is 10.
Yes, ma'am.
So can we get 10 in 6 table?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay, fine. We cannot get 10 in 6 table. But can we think of a number in 6 table which is smaller than 10 and nearest to 6, nearest to 10? Can we think of a number which is smaller than 10 and nearest to 10 in 6 table? Yes or no, Krishika?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Tell me. Okay, fine. So we have to think of a number here in 6 table. Krishika, just give me a second. Yes, Lohit.
What's the page number?
Lohit, page number 1414.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Yes, Aslan.
Ma'am, what's the page number?
Aslan, this is page number 1414 of your math course book. Okay. Okay, so Krishika, please unmute yourself. Yeah.
Ma'am.
Yes. So here we will take 1 and 0 together, that is 10. Now, Krishika, recall 6 table and tell me which number is smaller than 10 and nearest to 10 in 6 table.
6 ones are 6, ma'am.
Very good. Children, 6 ones are 6 and 6 twos are 12. 12 is greater than 10, so we won't take 6 twos are 12, and if we'll go forward, we will get numbers greater than 10. But we have to look for a number in 6 table which is smaller than 10. So we will take 6 ones are 6. Very good, Krishika. So we will write 1 at the top and we will write that 6 ones are 6. We will write that 6 below this 0. Yes, children, you will write that 6 exactly below this 0, not below 1. Okay? And then you will put here minus sign. Okay, Krishika. Now tell me, is it possible to take away 6 from 0?
No, ma'am.
What we will do?
We will take borrow.
Very good. We will take 110 borrow from this one. So we will cut this one and this one will become
11.
0. This
0.
1 will become 0 and this 0 will become
10.
very good. We will cut this 0 and we will write it 10. Children, space is not sufficient, so I am speaking also. What we will do, we will take 110 borrow from that 1. So we will cut that 1 will become 0 and 0 which is above that 6 will become 10. Okay, Krishika, now tell me 10 minus 6 how much?
4, ma'am.
Very good. 10 minus 6 is 4. So we will write here 4. Lohit, just give me a second. I'll get back to you. We will write that 4 here below this 6. Fine. Now what we will do, children, this 6 is left. So we will write this. We will make an arrow and we will copy this 6 beside this 4. So it makes it 4 6 46. Right? Now it's 4 6 46. Yes, Lohit?
Ma'am, I can't see the screen.
Lohit, then there must be some issue with your network. Please check your network and try to rejoin class again.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay, so now the number is 4 6 46. Okay, fine. Hanvika?
Ma'am.
Yeah, Hanvika, now tell me, can we get 4 6 46 in 6 table? Recall 6 table and tell me.
No, ma'am.
Then what we will do?
We'll take nearer and smaller than 46.
We will think of a number in 6 table which is smaller than 46 and nearest to 46. Very good, Hanvika. Now recall 6 table and tell me which number is smaller than 46 and also nearest to 46.
6 1 the 6, 6 2 the 2, 6 3 the 18, 6 4 the 2, 6 5 the 35, 6 6 the 46. 6 1 the 6, 6 2 the 2, 6 3 the 18, 6 4 the 2. 6 1 the 6, 6 2 the 12, 6 3 the 18, 6 4 the 2, 6 5 the 50, 6 6 the 18, 6 1 the 6, 6 2 the 12, 6
Yes, Hanvika.
Ma'am,
Tell me.
36, ma'am.
6 6 are 36. Okay. And after that, 6 7s are
6 7 the 36. 36 7 the 48, ma'am.
6 7s are 48. Is it? Hanvika, please learn 6 table. Please. Aryan, please unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Aryan, tell me number in 6 table which is smaller than 46 and nearest to 46. First tell me, Aryan, are you able to see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Yeah, tell me now.
42.
Very good. And how many times?
6 7s are 42.
Very good. Yes. So we will take here 42. Anvika, please learn 6 tables. So 6 7s are 42 children. So we'll be writing that 7 up. And we will write this 42 below this 46. See, 6 6 are 36 is also smaller than 46. But that is not nearest. Nearest is 42. So we will take 42 here. Okay, Aaron, now tell me 6 minus 2.
4.
So we will write 4 here. And 4 minus 4?
0.
0. Very good. That's correct. Okay, Aaron, now tell me what is the quotient and what is remainder?
Remainder is 4 and 17 is quotient.
Very good. That's correct. Yes, children. Yes, 17 is your quotient and remainder is 4. I hope till now this thing is clear to you. Your quotient is 17 and remainder is 4. So you will write that remainder 4 beside that remainder. Okay. Fine. That's correct. Okay. We'll move ahead now. Kushal, please read next question.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, please.
255 divided by 5, ma'am.
255 divided by 5. Okay, that's correct. Okay, Kushal, now tell me which number inside and which number outside.
255
Adya, please sit properly. Huh?
is outside and 255 is inside, ma'am.
Yes, 5 we will write inside, 5 we will write outside and 255 outside. 255 outside and 5 inside. Okay, that's correct. Okay, now Kushal, tell me, we will take 2 or we will take 2 and 5 together.
2 and 5, ma'am.
Why we are not taking 2?
We have to take 2, ma'am.
We will take 2. Why we are taking 2? Give me one answer. We will take only 2 or we will take 2 and 5 together.
2 and 5 together, ma'am.
Why we are not taking 2? Why we are taking 2 and 5 together? Okay, who can tell me why we will take 2 and 5 together and not 2? Who can tell me? Anyone?
5 is bigger than 2, ma'am.
5 is bigger than 2. Very good, Akshat. That's correct. Here 5 is greater than 2, or you can say that 2 is smaller than 5. So we won't get 2 in 5 table, as 5 table starts from 5. So we have to take 2 and 5 together. That's correct. That's correct, Akshat. Okay. Yes, children, again and again I am repeating this thing. Kushal, please unmute yourself.
Yes,
Kushal,
ma'am.
now is this clear to you why we are taking 2 and 5 together?
Yes, ma'am.
Because 2 is smaller than 5 and we won't get 2 in 5 table, as 5 table starts from 5. So we have to take 2 and 5 together. Now Kushal, tell me, can we get 2 and 5, that is 25 in 5 table?
25 in 5 table. Yes, ma'am.
How many times?
5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 50, 5 fours are 5 fives are 25, ma'am.
Very good. 5 fives are 25. So we will write 5 up and 25 down. That's correct. Now tell me, Kushal, 5 minus 5?
5 minus 5, 0, ma'am.
Yeah. And 2 minus 2?
0, ma'am.
Very good. That's correct. Thank you, Kushal. Okay. Jay? Jay?
Yes, ma'am.
Jay, now what we will do next?
After 5.
Yes. 5 is left here. So what we will do, Adya, please pay attention. We will take an arrow here and we will copy this 5 down, beside this 0. Okay. Now, Jay, tell me, when we will get 5 in 5 table?
5 under 5.
One time. That's correct. 5 ones are 5. So we will write 1 up and 5 below. And then we will put here minus sign. So 5 minus 5 is? Jay, 5 minus 5. Jay, 5 minus 5 is how much?
0.
5 minus 5 is 0. So we will write here answer 0. That's correct. Okay, Jay, now quickly tell me what is the quotient and what is the remainder here?
51.
51 is what? Quotient or remainder?
Percent.
51 is quotient. Very good. And what is the remainder?
0.
Remainder is 0 here. That's correct. Yes, children, for this question, that is for bit 4, remainder is 0 and quotient is 5151. That's correct. Okay. Yes, children, I'll give you 30 seconds. Please note down these questions. Those who are still writing, complete your work within 30 seconds. After that, I'll clear this and we'll move on to next question. Or if there is anyone who has any doubt, then you can ask. Yes, Devansh.
Ma'am, how will you do this?
Which one?
Ma'am, all the bits.
Where were you, Devansh, till now?
Ma'am, I'm completed, but I'm asking how we can do.
Huh?
Ma'am, I am asking how can I can do. I already do every bit.
I didn't get you. Your work is complete.
Yes, ma'am.
So what are you asking? Huh?
How
Just do you have any doubt anywhere? Devansh? Devansh? Devansh, your voice is not at all clear. Devansh? No, your voice is not clear, Devansh. Devansh, please drop a message in chat box if you want to ask anything. Okay, children, I'm clearing this thing. I'm clearing all this, and please open page number 1515. Open page number 15 of your math course book. Write date and classwork. Devansh, if you have to ask anything, please write that in chat box because your voice is breaking and I'm unable to understand what you are trying to say. Yes, children, open page number 1515. Write date and classwork quickly. And I want someone to read this question. This is page number 1515, children. Open page number 15 of your math course book. Yes, Supratik?
Ma'am, what is the page number, ma'am? 188 divided by 6, that is only, ma'am.
Huh? Page
Course
number
book.
15.
Page number 15, ma'am.
1515, yes, ma'am.
Actually, he has not completed page number 14, no, ma'am.
Ma'am, we have completed, but you joined just now. That's the reason.
Oh, okay, okay. Then I came to Hyderabad, ma'am. That is why.
Okay, ma'am. Okay. Yeah. Children, please open page number 15. Write date and classwork. Kartika Nalla, please read this question. Please unmute yourself.
18:8, ma'am.
18:8.
Yes, ma'am.
This is how you are reading a 3-digit number. Huh? How you will read 188? Yes, Kartika.
Yes, ma'am.
How you will read 188? Kartika, how you will read this number? This 234. How you will read it? Tell me.
234.
You are reading this number as 234. Okay, fine. Then why you are reading this number 18:8? How you will read this number?
188.
Yes, so this is 188, not 18:8. Okay, fine. Yes, Kartika, read this. Divide the following. Read that.
Dividing the following using
Yes, long
day,
long. Then yes, long division. Yes, Kartika, division method
and
show
show the
Verification
step.
step. Yes. Okay, fine. Now read the question quickly.
188
Divide by 6.
Divided by 6. Okay, that's correct. 188 divided by 6. Yes, Devansh?
Ma'am, I'm on the chat box.
Okay, just give me a second.
Okay, ma'am.
Nothing is there, Devansh.
Ma'am, I'm done.
Huh?
I'm done.
You have completed your work till here. Are you trying to say that?
No, ma'am, I'm trying to say,
Huh?
ma'am, I did not understand.
You are trying to say that you haven't completed page number 14.
No, ma'am, I'm saying I did not understand.
Okay, fine. Now I will explain one more question. You can see. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah, it is similar to that only. Okay, yeah, you can see now. Yes, children. So the question is 188 divided by 6. So after division symbol number is 6. So we'll be writing that 6 outside. And we will write this 188 inside. Right? So we will write this 188 inside. Those who have not understood, you can see this question. This is similar to that one. Okay, this is similar to what we have done earlier. Okay, now this is 188 divided by 6, right? Now number outside is 6. That means we have to recall here 6 table, right? Now the thing is, first we have to decide whether we will take 1 and 8 together, that is 18 together, or we will take only 1. Now, if you will compare this 1 with the number outside, that is with 6, you will see that 1 is always smaller than 6. 1 is always smaller than 6. So we won't get 1 in 6 table, as 6 table starts from 6 ones are 6, right? So you won't get 1 in 6 table, right? Then what you will do, and moreover 1 is smaller than 6. So what we will do is we will take this 1 and 8 together, which makes it 18, right? So now we have to look for a number in 6 table, right? So first of all, see whether we'll get 18 in 6 table or not. Yes, if you will recall 6 table, you will get 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, and 6 threes are 18. So we are getting 18 in 3 table. So we will write that 3 up and we will write this 18 down, because 6 threes are 18. Okay. Then we will put here minus symbol beside this 1, and then we will subtract these numbers. So 8 minus 8 is how much, children? 8 minus 8 is 0. So we will write 0 here, and 1 minus 1 is again 0. So we will write here 0 again. Now you can